5 Top 5 Rated Vacuum Cleaners 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 5, Swivel Bagless Pet Vacuum. Finally, a vacuum that truly understands the unique challenges of pet-filled homes. With every Swivel Bagless Pet Vacuum purchase, you're not just cleaning, you're actively helping save homeless pets through the BISSELL Pet Foundation. We've engineered this vacuum for effortless, thorough cleaning. Its incredible swivel steering makes gliding around furniture and obstacles a breeze. Our triple-action brush roll deeply loosens, lifts, and removes even the most embedded pet hair, while multi-surface cleaning with scatter-free technology stops messes from scattering on hard floors. Plus, edge-to-edge cleaning ensures no stray hair or crumb escapes. Experience powerful multi-cyclonic cleaning with ultimate maneuverability. Cleaning after your beloved pets has never been smarter or more satisfying. Number 4, BISSELL Pet Hair Eraser Allergen Lift-Off HEPA Vacuum. Ready to reclaim your home from pet hair and allergens? The BISSELL Pet Hair Eraser Allergen Lift-Off HEPA Vacuum delivers powerful suction to effortlessly eliminate dirt, fur, and dust. Its innovative lift-off detachable pod transforms into a lightweight canister, making quick work of stairs and hard-to-reach spots. Breathe easier knowing the HEPA-sealed allergen system traps dust and allergens inside, preventing them from escaping back into your air. Say goodbye to tangled brushes with the tangle-free brush roll, and enjoy pristine hard floors thanks to scatter-free technology. With a generous 1L easy empty dirt tank and specialized tools, including the Turbo Eraser Pet Tool, achieving a deeper, cleaner home has never been more convenient. Number 3, Smart Cordless Stick Vacuum, Self-Standing, Anti-Tangle. Number 2, YONNDER Cordless Vacuum, Powerful, Anti-Tangle, Pet Hair Ready. Tired of battling tangled brush rolls and persistent pet hair? Meet the YONNDER Cordless Vacuum, your ultimate cleaning solution. Boasting a formidable 48 kPa suction from its 550W brushless motor, it effortlessly deep cleans every surface, from carpets to hard floors, with an instant turbo boost for tough messes. Its revolutionary anti-tangle brush roll cuts hair wrapping by an incredible 97%, liberating you from weekly maintenance. With an impressive 65-minute runtime and a detachable battery, you can conquer your entire home without interruption. The green LED searchlight reveals hidden dust and pet dander, ensuring nothing is missed. Designed for pet owners and busy households, YONNDER makes powerful, hassle-free cleaning a reality, leaving your home spotless and the air fresh. Number 1, FlexReach Lift-Up Multi-Surface Upright. Meet the FlexReach Lift-Up Multi-Surface Upright, Eureka's most advanced cleaning solution. This isn't just a vacuum, it's your all-in-one deep cleaning powerhouse. Experience flagship 192 AW suction from its 960W motor, tackling heavy messes on any surface with ease. What truly sets FlexReach apart is its innovative lift-up pod. Simply detach the main canister in one step to effortlessly clean under beds, behind furniture, or even high up on shelves and curtains. Forget tangled brush rolls, our anti-tangle multi-surface design handles pet hair and debris without a hitch. Plus, those 10 ultra-bright LED headlights reveal every speck of hidden dust, ensuring a truly immaculate clean. Ready to transform your cleaning routine? So, that sums up my 5 top 5 rated vacuum cleaners. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great day.